$700. If this is your budget to build a gaming PC in 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you the best PC components that you should consider for a $700 PC build. Let's get started. Now for the processor, you should pick the Intel Core i3-12100F. This one costs around $110. Now this is an ultimate budget gaming CPU according to many YouTubers and benchmarks. Then for the motherboard, you have chosen the Gigabyte B660M DS3H. This one costs around $109. With that price, you're going to get a mid-level excellent motherboard. It comes with 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen for NVMe SSD support, a small heatsink over the VRM section, all the ports that you need, and all of those for only under $109. Now comes the main part of a gaming PC build, the graphics card. And in this case, you are using the XFX RX 6600. This one costs around $249. Now with this graphics card, you can basically play any modern games at 1080p resolution with ultra settings with more than 60 to 70 FPS easily. Not only that, you can even try games at 1440p resolution. So for a card that only costs $249, it's an excellent deal. Then for the RAM, you are using the Team Group T-Force Vulcan Z 16GB RAM. This one costs around $43. Now these are one of the cheapest DDR4 RAM that you can buy. This comes with those excellent heatsink which prevents those RAMs from getting overheated, and also those RAMs comes with lifetime warranty, so an excellent deal. Then for the storage, you are using the Crucial P3 1TB PCIe Gen 3 SSD. This one costs around $63. With that price, you are going to get up to 3500 Mbps read data speed, which is excellent for an SSD that costs only $63. And for the power supply, you are using the Thermaltake Tough Power 80 Plus Gold certified 600W power supply. This one costs around $65. Now for only $65, you are going to get a 600W power supply which is gold certified and also comes with 5-year plus warranty, so it's an excellent deal. Finally, for the casing, we are using the Zeus Gamdia's white RGB casing. This one costs around $72. Now, as I say always, casing is completely up to you, buy whichever you like. Now this one comes with 3 pre-installed RGB fan, a glass front, a glass side, which is excellent for a casing that only costs $72, and all those components will cost you around $717. Thanks for watching.